Hi, my name is Rex LeBeau. My pronouns are they, them, theirs, and I am the Health Equity Zone staff person on the LGBTQ Health working group. And we're a newer working group, and the reason we started was because Newport doesn't really have a lot of affirming healthcare, and also just doesn't have a lot of community building things for folks who live in the health equity zone, which is the North End and off-Broadway neighborhoods. So we started up this group, and we started right in the beginning of 2020. So what we were able to accomplish before the pandemic was just getting some data, doing a focus group with medical providers, a survey with mental health providers, try to get a lay of the land. And we started with some preliminary goal setting, but then the pandemic hit and a lot of our partners went into crisis mode. But in the meantime, we were able to help out with a little bit of the planning of Newport Pride. We signed on to a letter advocating for the Rhode Island Department of Health to collect gender identity data and sexual orientation data for the COVID testing case and for the COVID cases. And yeah, so right now we're still underway with a lot of our efforts, and I'd like to pass it on to Renee Peo, who is our lead partner at Newport Mental Health, to talk about something really exciting that they're working on.
Great. Thanks, Rex, for the introduction. Again, my name is Renee Peo, and my pronouns are she, her, hers. And again, I'm at Newport Mental Health, and I'm a social worker there. And I'm really excited to talk about our initiative. That's a big one. We are in the process of applying and moving towards certification to become a designated safe zone. And the safe zone designation comes from Blue Cross Blue Shield of Rhode Island. But it's a really great thing. It's a certification process that ensures that as an organization that we are providing an environment that is safe and welcoming to the queer community. And that also ensures that we're providing affirming healthcare. So it's really exciting. We're really well underway. We're hoping to meet this designation by the spring of this year, hopefully May. We already have one of our gender neutral bathrooms completed, and construction is happening right now on the second one. A really exciting training for all staff is happening. And I think the really important piece of this is that there are no other safe zones on this island, on Aquinic Island, so we'll be the first of its kind. So yeah, that's a really exciting project that we've been working on and an important initiative. With that said, I just wanted to move on to that, share with you all about sort of our vision and goals as a working group. And to be honest with you, sort of what Rex was saying earlier, you know, we had to pivot quite a bit because we started right before the pandemic, and we had been starting to map out sort of what our goals and our vision is. But it was a little bit sort of waylaid by everything, you know, going on in the moment with the pandemic. But right now as a group, we've really come back and are regrouping, and we're using a framework around this idea of a theory of transformation to really ground ourselves in who we are, what is important to us, what are our goals, and how to make sure our goals commit to or connect to larger goals as well, particularly in dismantling white supremacy. So stay tuned, more to come around that.
Thanks, Renee. And we would love to have you be part of our working group. So if you're a resident of the Health Equity Zone, if you're a resident of the North End and off-Broadway neighborhoods of Newport, and a member of the LGBTQIA+ community, we would love to have you in this working group and have your voice be heard. If you're a partner organization that serves people in the health equity zones in the North End and off-Broadway neighborhoods, we would love to have you. So give us a call, send us an email. Our numbers and email are on this probably pretty well connected to this video, but I'll give it to you again. It's 236-8344, and our email is hezinfo, that's HEZINFO, at wrcnbc.org. Thank you for your time.
Great, thank you.